everyone, it is Nicole with Gator Metal Roofing. Thank you so much for joining us on our YouTube channel where we talk all things metal roofs, from installation, inspection, answer any frequently asked questions. We got you. We are your one-stop shop for all things metal roofs. And today we are here in Jacksonville, North Carolina, and I am here with Jay. Jay, thank you so much for having us.
Hi.
And I know your mom lives here and your entire family lives here, correct?
Yes.
How long have you guys lived in this home for?
3 to 4 years.
Before you guys upgraded to a metal roof, what was the previous condition of your previous roof like? Was it shingles?
Yes, it was shingles. It was like really old. We were having leaks. The weather was kind of picking up. Hurricane season's here, so we might as well do the right thing and get a new roof before it gets here. Yeah, I saw a lot of reviews, and I thought I would just give it a shot.
Were there any misconceptions that you guys had of upgrading to a metal roof before you actually did? Or was it just like, we're gonna pull the trigger and we're gonna get one?
It's an old roof, so we were thinking of getting shingles, but might as well get something that will last longer with a good warranty.
Lifetime warranty?
We just decided to just go ahead and upgrade to a metal roof.
Yeah.
And I think it's more like my style because I'm a metal guy, so.
That's fair. Yeah. I can see the vibe. And the black matches. Why did you guys specifically pick the black? Just because black looks good on everything?
Yes.
Yeah.
I like black with red. It's kind of a modern thing, I think.
Yeah. And you said you guys painted the shutters afterwards.
Yes.
Match, right?
Shutters and the gutters.
Yeah. It looks fantastic. It looks very cohesive. Y'all did a great job.
Oh, thank you.
Looks like it came like that. And you said you guys have had it for a couple months now, right?
Yes.
She looks brand new. If you would have told me that, I would have thought she was installed yesterday. Have you noticed we've had a really rainy North Carolinian summer. Have you noticed a difference between having the metal roof during thunderstorms or rain versus before with the shingles?
Yes. It's more compact, I feel like. It's more solid. Yeah, and the sound of the rain too is beautiful too. It's nice. It's lovely.
It's great to fall asleep to. You don't need ASMR when you have the sound of rain. Have you noticed, is it louder? I know that's a big question that a lot of people ask us. Like,
it's actually not louder. You can actually hear the rain more, but it's not a noise. It's more of a soothing sound.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of like a background noise, peaceful.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah, and that's how I used to grow up before. I used to grow up in, metal roof, and it always rains, it's loud, and I sleep through it pretty good.
So you guys had a metal roof back home, right?
Yes.
That's super cool. So you guys moved to North Carolina, it's like, we want one too.
Yeah.
We want one here.
Yep.
How was it like working with our team from beginning to end?
It was quick. It was very professional.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And just one more question. Do you have any advice or anything to say if someone's watching and maybe they haven't pulled the trigger on buying a metal roof quite yet? What would you tell them?
Well, I say it's time to upgrade.
You heard it from the horse's mouth.
Yep. I mean, it makes more sense getting buy once, cry once.
I love that.
Yeah.
That should be our new slogan. I love that.
Yeah.
But like you said, there's probably less headache involved. The sound of the rain's peaceful. You don't have to worry about it, stress-free. We have that lifetime warranty.
And it looks cool.
It looks cool. That's the best part. You guys got the sexiest roof on the block. You got the curb appeal. It's sleek, it's modern. You can't go wrong with it.
Yep,
Awesome.
absolutely.
Well, Jay, thank you so much for joining us today. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we will see you here next time.